Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is multiplexers. First of all, what are the multiplexers? Multiplexers are the combinational circuit which accepts several data inputs and allows only one among them to get through the output. That means if you see here the block diagram of the multiplexer, these are the inputs. It accepts several inputs but allows only one input to get through the output. So the selection of the input to get through the output is done by these selection lines. These selection lines select desired input to get through the output. So this is the block diagram of the multiplexer. If you see here, multiplexer will be of 2 by 1 multiplexer, 4 by 1 multiplexer, and so on, 2 power n by 1 multiplexers. So general block diagram is this. There will be 2 power n inputs and 1 output, and if there are 2 power n inputs, then there will be n selection lines. The relation between these two is, if there are 2 power n inputs, there will be n selection lines. Okay, a multiplexer is also called as data selector because it selects the desired data to get through the output. It is also called data selector, and it is also a parallel to serial converter, and it is also known as universal logic, and it is also known as AND OR logic. We will see this, why it is called AND OR logic and universal logic and parallel to serial converter. First we have first we have 2 by 1 multiplexer. First we try to design the 2 by 1 multiplexer, and then we will go for the 4 by 1 multiplexer, so on. You can design anything. So first, designing 2 by 1 multiplexer, 2 by 1 mux. Generally multiplexers are called mux, MUX. 2 by 1 multiplexer. For 2 by 1 multiplexer, step 1 is nothing but, for combinational circuit, step 1 is nothing but number of inputs and outputs. Okay, if you draw the block diagram, it is 2 by 1 multiplexer, right? So n is equals to 1, that is 2 by 1. So that means there will be 2 power n, that is 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. That means 2 inputs are there and n is equal to 1 selection line is there. If you draw the block diagram, 2 inputs, let name the inputs as I0 and I1, and 1 output, let name it as Y, and the selection line name it as S0. If you see here, this is the 2 by 1 multiplexer block diagram. There are 2 inputs and 1 output. We found the number of inputs and output. Step 2 is writing the truth table. Writing the truth table. So if you see here the multiplexer, if S0, this S0, depending upon these S0 combinations, it will select whether I0 or I1. If S0 is equal to 0, the input at 0th port is selected as the output. If S0 is equal to 1, the input at the first port is selected as the output. So based on this, the output Y is selected. So the truth table is S0 and Y. Possible combinations for one variable is 2 power 1, that is 0 and 1. 2 possible combinations, that is 0 and 1. So if you see, if S0 is equal to 0, 0th port of input is selected as the output. So I0 is selected as the output. If S0 is equal to 1, then I1 is selected as the output. If you see here, if I write S0 bar and S0 here, if you see this, if S0 is equal to 0, that implies S0 bar is equal to 1, right? So here it will be 1 and here it is 0. Therefore this one is selected as the output, this one is selected as the output, this one is not selected, this one is selected as output. If S0 is equal to 1, that implies S0 bar is equal to 0, right? So this is 0 and this is 1, so this one is selected as output. So if you write S0 bar and S0 here, then we will get, if S0 bar, that means this 0 indicates S0 bar, right? And this 1 indicates S0. So for S0 bar, I0 is selected and S0 I1 is selected. Okay, In this way, after truth table, our step 3 is writing the Boolean expression. Step 3, Boolean expression. So from this truth table, if you see, y is equal to s naught bar into I naught plus s naught into I1, right? Because it has one min term. So if you see here, y is equal to s naught bar I naught plus s naught I1. 0 is nothing but s naught bar and 1 is nothing but s naught. If you see here, directly from the block diagram we can say that I naught into s naught bar plus I1 into s naught is equals to y. If you see here we have seen the AND operation. Here it is the OR operation. That's why it is called AND OR logic. Okay, is this justified? That's why it is called AND OR logic. Multiplexer is called, that's why multiplexer is called AND OR logic. Okay, so we have obtained this. If you want to check, let us check. If s naught is equal to 0, the output is I naught, right? So if s naught is equal to 0, s naught bar is 1 dot I naught plus s naught is 0 dot I1, this will be 0, and y is equal to I naught. So the output we got I naught. If s naught is equal to 1, this will be 0 and this will be 1, we get the output as I1, right? Okay, after step 3, step 4 is minimization. Here minimization is already done because further minimization is not possible. And step 5 is hardware implementation or drawing the logical diagram. Step 5 is hardware implementation or drawing the logical diagram. So here we have the equation s naught bar I naught plus s naught I1, right? So take the s naught and its inverter, that is construct the inverter here, NOT gate. Then s naught will be inverted, that is that it becomes s naught bar, and then inputs are I naught and I1, right? So inputs are I1 and I naught. Draw like this. What we have the equation s naught bar dot I naught. So s naught bar is there, s naught bar, this is I naught, right? Dot I naught. So construct the AND gate here. This, if you see here, s naught bar dot I1, s naught bar dot I naught plus s naught I1. So construct the AND gate between s naught and this is I1, this is s naught. Construct the AND gate between these two, we get s naught I1, s naught I1, here s naught bar I naught. If you construct OR gate between these two, we will get the y. So it is a AND OR logic, right? From this hardware implementation also we can say that multiplexer is a AND OR logic. So in this way we are going to design the 2x1 multiplexer. For every multiplexer we follow the 5 steps: inputs, truth table, writing the Boolean expression, and step 4 is if minimization is required, do minimization, and step 5 is drawing the logical diagram. So in the same way we design a 4x1 multiplexer also. So 4x1 multiplexer we are going to design. Step 1 is finding the number of inputs and outputs. Number of inputs and outputs. Step 1. So draw the block diagram. 2 power, here it is 4, right? So 4 inputs, 1 2 3 4 inputs are there. I naught, let name is I naught, I1 and I2, I3. If there are 4 inputs, that is nothing but 2 power 2 by 1 multiplexer, right? So n is equal to 2, there will be 2 selection lines. Let the name is s0 and s1, and the output will be y. Okay, this is 4x1 multiplexer. 4x1 multiplexer, right? So if you see here, we have found the number of inputs. Number of inputs are 4, and output is 1, and there will be 2 selection lines. Step 2 is writing the truth table. If you see here, we have the 2 selection lines s0 and s1, and the output is y. So the possible combinations are 4, 2 power 2, 2 variables are there, 2 power 2, 4 combinations. So the 4 combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. these are the possible combinations. If 0 0 is given, first as I said in 2 by 1 multiplexer, right here the possible combinations of S0 and S1. First one is S0 bar, S1 bar. See here, S0 0 and S1 also 0, so we can write it as S0 bar, S1 bar. Here S0 bar, S1, and this is S0 S1 bar, and this is S0 S1, right? So write same variables here, S0 bar S1, S0 bar S1, and here S0 S1 bar, S0 S1. Here nothing is there, just write these corresponding combinations of these variables here. Then we'll go for this. If S0 is 0 and S1 is 0, S0 bar S1, this will be selected as a output, so I0 is selected as a output. And if 0 1 is there, S0 bar S1 0 1, so I1 is selected. And in the similar way, 1 0 is there, S0 S1 bar. See, variable with prime, that is with bar or complement, that will be 0, and variable with unprimed is 1 according to min terms, right? So this is 1 0 1. If 1 0, I2 is selected. This is 1 1, right? No primed variable is there. S0 S1 is nothing but 1 1, so I3 is selected here. So in this way we write the truth table. And going for the step 3, step 3 is nothing but Boolean expression. If you see here, directly we can write y is equals to, here it is S0 bar S1 bar, so S0 bar S1 bar I0 plus here S0 bar and S1, right? So we wrote these combinations of variables here in their corresponding positions. 0 0 we have wrote here, that 0 0 nothing but S0 bar S1 bar. So we wrote these corresponding combinations here, and we are writing the Boolean expression from the block diagram itself. S0 bar S1 bar into I0 plus S0 bar S1 dot I1, S0 bar S1 dot I1 plus S0 S1 bar S1 bar I2 plus S0 S1 I2, so S0 S1 I3, so S0 S1 I3. So in this way we obtain the Boolean expression. After obtaining the Boolean expression, step 4 is minimization. It is already minimized, so no minimization is required because it is already minimized. No minimization is required here. Step 5 is hardware implementation or drawing the logical diagram. So hardware implementation or drawing the logical diagram. To draw the logical diagram for this, see here, if we have the two selection lines, right? So take the two selection lines, this is S1, and construct the NOT gate. Then it will be S1 bar, and this is S0. Construct the NOT gate, it will become S0 bar. So we have how many inputs? I0, I1, I2 and I3, right? So 4 inputs. One I0, second input is I1, third one is I3, and the third one is I2, and fourth one is I3, right? So if you see here, the AND logic is in between S0 bar S1 bar I0. Multiplexer is AND OR logic, right? So AND logic is in between S0 bar S1 and I0. Take I0, S1 bar and S0. Construct the AND gate here. See, I have took S1 bar and S0 bar and I0. We will get S0 bar S1 bar I0, right? So next expression is S0 bar S1 I1. So take S0 bar S1 bar S1 and I naught. S naught bar, S1 and I1. Sorry, S naught bar, S1 and I1. We got the second expression. For third expression we have S naught, S1 bar, I2. So take S naught and this is S1 bar and this is I2, the input. S naught, S1 bar, I2. S naught, S1 bar, I2. Okay. And for third one we have I3 input and S naught, S1. So take S naught and here this is S1. S naught, S1 and I3. So we get S naught, S1 and I3. Okay. Construct the AND logic between OR logic between these four. Multiplexer is a AND OR logic. We constructed the AND logics here and then go for the OR logic. Okay. Construct the OR logic between these four. We get the output Y. So in this way we will implement, we will draw the logical diagram. This is the hardware implementation. So in this way we design the 2 by 1 mux and 4 by 1 mux by using the 5 steps. This is the introduction of the multiplexer. In next class we will see about the problems and different types of questions on multiplexers. Thank you.